Hello there, everybody. I'm out here. I'm thinking about making a bird. I got some pieces cut. I just want to spend some time with you. It's been a few days since I did a video. So I got this cut out of an old shovel. So you see where the shovel handle or something went like that, and then this was an old spade head, you know. So I'm gonna do something like that. And I was finding these gears, and I like that. I found this little guy. It looks like a beak already, and that sort of looks like feathers. And I was thinking about sticking them in there like that, maybe giving some eyeballs. Hold on one second. I don't like this song. Echo. Skip. There we go. Maybe we get a good one. Now we got a little Charlie Daniels going there. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, something like that. And then put him on a neck like that. And look at here. Can you see that? That's kind of fun looking, isn't it? Almost looks like a big bird, but with some wings. So I'm gonna start putting them together here. We'll just do a short video. So I won't get the legs and everything in. I did want to show you this hat, and I'm pretty proud of it. Remember that Cool Runnings? That was this Jamaican bobsled team who went to the Olympics. This is a hat that says Jamaican bobsled team. I thought that's funny. And like I always tell you, you gotta laugh where you can. I'm just gonna clean off my hood here so I'm able to see out of it. It got a little foggy. I caught fire in here the other day. Probably in my other videos.
I don't know that.
I don't know what that was about. I had my benchtop sander over here, and then some old junk back over here, and there was a bunch of sawdust and stuff. Anyway, I was welding on something, and I should have had it on video because it was probably funny to watch. But it caught fire, so now I got my whole benchtop. Well, it's hard to see it because I got it covered up. My whole bench top's covered in metal now. Ain't that right? Ain't that cool? Now, metal won't catch on fire. Well, not now it won't. I mean, metal never catch on fire, really. But you know that, they use structural steel and studs when they build commercial buildings a lot. I was taught in some of my construction management classes that wood stays more structurally sound in a fire than steel does. That's strange, ain't it? Alright, let's see how we're going to do this. That gear almost fits right in there like it was made for it. Might have been. I don't remember where I got it. People just bring me their metal and think, hey, this is cool looking, Chuck, you want it? I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. My metal pile's been growing since I've been making these little critters. Everybody wants to give me their interesting pieces of metal. How can I hold that on there right? But this is an interesting piece. I like gears. Gears are neat. They look cool. You can make them look like all kinds of funny little critters. Grip them down here, maybe. Weld them on the side. No. Just do like that. It don't matter which way he's facing yet. And then I'll just tack him on there. That looks pretty straight. Pretty straight. Well, if he's off a little, that don't matter too much. People like things that are quirky. I just bend him again anyway. No, he's alright. We're welding now. Remember, don't burn your fingers. That should hold it for a minute. Now I'm getting a better weld going on him. Now I got him started. Ooh yeah, that was some kind of gear out of some engine. I could smell the grease on it. Well, that ought to hold her. And I'll get him on there like that. Ooh. And don't burn them fingers. Don't burn them. Don't want to burn mine neither. Question is, where do I want to put that well? Probably want to put it on the back where it can't be seen. Yeah, something like that. Try to hold her in place. Hold it in place there. Hold me in place. Come on now. Keep her straight too. Don't forget to keep her straight now. Yeah, I'm gonna tag that on. See if that held. Maybe I get a weld on there and bend her back. Bend her back a little bit. Oh, fell right off. Need to get a better weld than that. Come on now. Don't burn your fingers now. Don't burn them. Hot. Hot metal. Get her back. I bet I can get her there. Get her done. I don't mean like get her done like that fellow used to say. I mean like you want your welds to hold real strong. I'll get a few more in there. All right, now get brushed off a little. Let's see how we get him set up. Get him on the bird's body here. It's hot. I don't want to touch it. I also need it to hold still. Alright, see if I can get a weld on there. See where we're going here. We'll give him some legs, probably give him some eyes, might give him some tail feathers. Those are usually fun to play with. But he's got a little beak, got him a neck, got big wings. So that's all we're gonna do tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed hanging out with you. I'm gonna show you my hat one more time. In case you ever want to get one, I got it in the airport at Jamaica. On my honeymoon, we were there. We didn't have no money, so it's about all I was able to afford. But remember, folks, you can get me on, well, of course, you got me on the YouTube. I'm also on the Instagrams. And now I got an Etsy shop set up. Ain't that something? I think it's the same handle as I got on the Instagrams and on here. Chuck's Curios. Just search it up. I don't think it let me put an apostrophe in Chuck's, but I didn't forget it. I don't think it let me do it. So I think it's one word, Chuck's Curios. Spelled C-H-U-C-K-S. Remember, no apostrophe. Q, oh wait, no, it's not Q. It sounds like Q. It's C-U-R-I-O-S. Chuck's Curios. Not curious, curios. Like an oddity. Some kind of oddity. Like a doodad. You ever seen them? That's what I'm talking about. A curio. Alright. I love y'all. Y'all take it easy. And I'll do the same. Remember, don't burn your fingers and get your smiles wherever you can. Be happy. Signing off. Whew.